Welcome to YouTube, it's your girl Mikimolly, and today I'll be showing you guys how to plan an aesthetic picnic. Right now it's the spring and it's transitioning into summer, and picnics are a vibe right now. If you're new to my channel, hey, my name is Mikimolly. I do videos on fashion, hair, and lifestyle. So if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Yeah, I'm gonna get straight into this picnic how-to so you guys can see how to do all of that. Okay, so when you first get into the planning of a picnic, I know you probably will think you will need a basket, and you're probably right. So you can probably go on Amazon to get a basket, or you can go to like Hobby Lobby if you have one close by, but I usually like to buy things online, so I probably just buy mine on Amazon. Yeah, so when you first go on Amazon and type in picnic baskets, you're gonna see more highly priced baskets show up on the first page. So what I would suggest you do is to go ahead and filter that, and you can filter it to like under $25, and that way you would see more cheaper baskets. The only thing when you see cheaper baskets, you just need to go ahead and do your research and read the reviews to make sure it's an okay quality basket, because some of those cheaper baskets can be really poor, like really bad. So just do your research and make sure you get a nice basket for the price. Okay, so after you have your picnic basket out the way, you're gonna want a picnic blanket. If you already have like a sheet or a quilt that you have at home that you want to use, that's perfect, because now you can get that for free. But if you want to go ahead and purchase a picnic blanket, that would be great because you can use it for a lot of outdoor activities in the summer. So for a picnic blanket, you just need to go ahead and do the same thing I did before. Type in picnic blanket. You can go ahead and also filter them to see cheaper picnic blankets. One thing that you need to take a note of when buying a blanket though is the dimensions of the blanket, to make sure that it's big enough and it's the size that you need it to be. So just take keen attention to that, because you don't want to get a tiny little piece of cloth when you wanted a blanket. Okay, so after you go ahead and have your basket and your blanket, now it's time to get a cheese board. I mean, you don't have to get a cheese board, it's optional, but I feel like a cheese board would be a nice touch to an aesthetic picnic if that's the vibe you're going for, because it just brings everything together, in my opinion. So yeah, just go on Amazon, type in cheese board, and you can also go ahead and filter that out to find cheaper options of a cheese board. And yeah, I just feel like a cheese board really brings a picnic together. It gives it that aesthetic vibe that you're going for. If you're watching this video, you probably want an aesthetic picnic. So yeah, I feel like a cheese board would be a great addition to that. I don't know, I feel like a cheese board is similar to like a charcuterie board, but it's like a smaller charcuterie board. I could be so wrong right now because I'm not in my field of knowledge, but that's how I feel, and I'm sticking to it until a professional comes and tells me I'm wrong, and then I'll change. But yeah, I feel like a cheeseburger would be a great addition to your picnic. So yeah, definitely go ahead and get that if you want to. Okay, so now that we have everything else, we need platters. So we would need about 2 to 4 platters, because you don't want to just place your stuff on the blanket. You want to have some base so that things are not just rolling over and falling down. So we need platters. Instead of buying platters online, I would say it's best to buy them in store, so like at Dollar Tree or Dollar General or Walmart. But if you find some at Dollar Tree or Dollar General, that's great, because you can get it for $1, which is perfect. So you can buy a lot of them for very cheap. Okay, so now we're at the most important part of a picnic, which is the food. And if you're looking to have an aesthetic picnic food should include stuff like fresh fruits, baked goods like cakes, croissants, muffins. It should also include like a cheese board if you're into that, wine. And recently I've been seeing a lot of TikTok people do cakes, and they cut the cake with like their wine glasses or some stuff like that. I don't know, I feel like that's messy, but if that's the vibe you're going for, then go for that vibe. But yeah, I feel like cakes are a cute little addition to picnics. Okay, so if you made it this far into the video, go ahead and like this video because I'm really giving you guys the tea. Okay, so now we're looking at napkins. You can purchase like some decorative napkins at the dollar store or Walmart because these are just so cute and they make your picnic look so nice. Okay, so you can also add games to your picnic if that's the type of time you're on. I feel like games like a chessboard or Uno cards, or even doing like a sip and paint at your picnic, that is super cute and super fun and super trendy right now. I see a lot of people doing like sip and paints at their picnics, so I feel like that would be cute. Okay, so now we're basically to the final touches, and all we need now are flowers. Yeah, flowers are really nice and they're a great addition to a picnic. You can find them at Kroger's or Walmart or the dollar store if you don't care if they're real. So yeah, I feel like just get some flowers for your picnic and have a great picnic. Okay, so this is just me packing for my picnic. I have a majority of the things I told you guys you need to get for your picnic. So yeah, you can watch me if you feel like it. And also thank you for watching my video to the end. Let me know down in the comment section if you plan to have a picnic anytime soon and if you found this video helpful. I really hope you did. But yeah, thanks for watching my video, guys. Bye.
Baby, baby, you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me tryna stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times were cherished, no comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that